can download Microsoft Teams for your work or for your personal use. So first up, you're going to go to your web browser and you're going to search up download Microsoft Teams. So now you will click on enter, and then you will click on the website saying download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps. So now it's going to take you to the official Microsoft website, and if you're on a MacBook it will say download Microsoft Teams for Mac, or if you're on a Microsoft laptop then you can go ahead and choose the option for Microsoft. So now you're going to click on download Teams for Mac. So now it's going to show here save as Microsoft Teams or whatever you want. So it will be saved in your downloads area. Now you'll click on save. So now it will show you that your Microsoft Teams is done. So you'll click on the file option over here. And then now you'll be taken to your files. So if you open this right here, then it will open the thing from where it will install the Microsoft Teams. So first you will read all of this. Welcome to the Microsoft Teams installer. You will be guided through the steps necessary to install the software. So now you'll click on continue and then you will just do on install. So for this it will be requiring your password so that it can install the software. If you already have an account, you can just sign in from here, or you can click on create or use an account. So let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how you can use Microsoft Teams for your work or for your personal use, or if you want to know how to create an account for Microsoft Teams. Thank you.